Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Hitler in Infinite Craft the fastest method. So let's get started. So the first one that we will need is wind, and we're gonna add another wind into that to produce tornado, and then we're gonna add another tornado to produce hurricane, and then after that we're gonna add another tornado to produce tsunami, and then another tornado again to produce destruction. And after that, you want to go produce another distraction to create explosion. And then after that, you want to go add another distraction and you would produce chaos. And then you would add another distraction into that and then you would produce evil. And then you want to go for earth and water to produce a plant. And then another earth and then wind right here to produce dust. And then add a fire into that. And then you would produce ash right here with a plant to produce tobacco, and then add another water and water to produce lake. And then after that, you would need dust to create mud with lake. And then you would have combined these two, and then you'd have cigar, and then combine it with evil, and then you would have Hitler. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching.